Hello everyone, what's going on? It's your boy Chuck, and we are back with Security the Back Trading YouTube channel, and going to bring you guys another analyst for this week. Thank you for joining, and let's get started. As you can see, I got gold up as usual, and like always, the market did exactly what we wanted. 100% setup, everything played out great. If you guys took this trade, you should be definitely winning right now. And just want to say thank you for following me on this trade, and let's continue going after this money. All right. um as you can see, everything played out great here. I mentioned that we was looking for a pullback. This was the buy zone. This was my play in the red, and it hit right on the money. We end up getting a golfing candle, which is a very solid setup. So if you've seen that, and if you've been following me for a while, I mention about the golfing candles all the time. Here, right where I got this pointer at, is where you will been looking to just hold this trade. All right, so let's get ready with the updates. Let's get this thing cleared up. You can see we hit our take profit zone. I mentioned about two videos back that if we hit this area to close trade and just sit back on your hands and wait until the following week. And here this week is up, and I'm gonna give you guys a plan. All right, let's clean this up. Market's currently right here. So we're going to start off at this location for gold setup. All right. Before I clean anything else up, I'm going to just drop down to the 1 hour to see what the highs and lows is giving us. And exactly what I thought. Again, it's the breakout area that we were waiting on. So we're going to put a red line for breakout. And it's roughly around 1805, 1807. We just would say 1806, 1807. Let's say 1806. This was our zone we came back to. Still can be a target area. So we can look for that a retracement area. Overall, just to be biased on you guys, gold did exactly what I wanted to do. It has broken a lot of zones. So I will mention and pretty much confirm that gold is a buy in my opinion, but we always got to be prepared for the worst case scenario. So I would give you that. But overall, I am looking for continuation on the buys. I was looking at doing a little back testing here to speed things up. I got a couple areas that I'm looking at go as to holding. We could get a little bit more pullback, but we still have a nice upward trend going that just started right at this area. And I showed you the engulfing candle here. So based off of this, I am going to project that gold is going to keep going up. So we're going to remove this stop zone. All right, so what we have. Let's just look across the board. Let's jump on a weekly real quick. So we have a engulfing candle here. We'll possibly make it to that area. And then I have a little bit of noise. I like that right here in this area. Somewhere, it's probably gonna be my first take profit. if I continue to buy. I want to make this my first take profit here. We're up around 1840. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. Let's jump back on the daily. So now we got some zones to play with. Overall, critical zone up here, 1880. We'd definitely like to see that come here. We are definitely hitting these zones on gold that we have marked out for months that we've been keeping a track on. We are now starting to collect at these zones, and I'm loving it. All right. So daily, I'm gonna take some of these lines off once I get everything marked off. Get it nice and clean. So I would like to see two things here. Honestly, you can wait, and if you took profit here, just put a buy stop right above this area. You put it right above this, another engulfing candle. So if you want to play it safe, we just put it right above that. If that breaks, gold will definitely go higher. We add our zone. We can delete this. Okay, guys. So this is the breakout zone. So what I'm looking for gold overall is, honestly, you could take the buy here if you want to get some extra pips, but just to be safe, you probably want to wait to 1806, 1807 area to break, and then we're gonna take this to this next area. So anywhere in here, we're looking for take profits. So green is going to be take profit. Take profit 1. And then anywhere between here, love to see 1880 hit, but it may come shy of it. So don't, if you get close enough to this area, I would definitely say secure your profits. And do not try to fight those extra pips because it could reverse very hard. All right, so we're looking at this, and then this area break, we're going to continue upward. Like anything else, gold may get here and do a lot of up and down consolidation for the next couple of days or weeks. So if you're going to hold this or scalp it, just know that your overall direction is upward. All right. So this is another pullback zone. We can definitely get gold to come back here again to 17 or 1780 area. So we're going to change that to blue. Blue is going to be the buy zone. Okay, so there's the buying area here. Just move this over a little bit. Okay, so let's take this line out. Just a little bit, give me patience. Guys, I'm just trying to clean things up for you. All right. Okay, I just like things in a certain order. I'm just sorry for the wasting your time here. I'm just trying to get things nice and presentable, so I can, when I look at the chart, I can see it a lot easier. All right, so this is what we're looking at. We, again, like we said, go overall buy. Again, the stop loss was at 1690. I think it's safe to bring that up. So I will be bringing that up right below this engulfing candle. Below this, yep. Below this engulfing candle. That will be my final stop loss. I don't see it coming back that far, honestly. Let's jump on the 4 hour real quick. Yeah, I think we could definitely hold here. So if you want to use a stop loss, this would be the first one. I would say maybe 1770. If you want to try to up your lot size and take another risk, a higher risk. Well, I guess you would say a smaller risk. This would be the long term big risk here, stop loss. Okay. Now, I am going to give you my scenario. What I see happening with gold, to be honestly, I would like to see gold come here. I think it's going to do a little fake out, honestly. And because most people are probably selling because they see this engulfing, but just understand that gold is in a strong buy right now. The dollar is getting ready to crash based off the setup. So I would like to see this come up just a little bit higher, maybe possibly break that zone to hit a lot of stop losses, come back down. May not make, I don't see it making all the way back to this area, maybe right close to it. And then I am going to play this. Yeah, this is going to be, yeah, I want to see something like this. This will be my play here in the red. And again, if gold comes here, breaks below that, could possibly see it come back down to the zone again for a continuation up, possibly. All right. So, and too easy to figure this out. If that breaks, we are coming back to this area. All right. I hope this is clear for you guys to see. Make sure you get a screenshot. But again, this is my play here in the red. And as you see every week after week, I'm pretty accurate. So I will definitely say it would be in your best interest to follow this if you can. But if you just want to take it easy, I would say take a small lot size as a buy here, have a buy limit, set your stop loss down here, and just let go just do its thing, so you can just relax and chill. But that's what I have right now. And let's move on to Great Britain USD. Okay. Again, another fantastic trade. Everything played out. This was the buy zone. As you can see, we came right into it. We was already in this area, so you should have took that buy or waited to this come down to this area. But we did break out. Just another opportunity to buy when it broke this zone upward. So everything is looking good overall. Give me just a second here. And let me see. Let's jump on the 1 hour. See what the highs and lows are saying. Pretty much the same thing as gold. Breakout. Could retest back here. So it's too easy. Let's get this cleaned up. I don't see, got a triple bottom here. Gulfing still here. Gulfing here. I would say this is actually going to hold now. So I would come up a little bit higher. Clean that up. Okay. We've hit this zone, so we can finally take this out. We've been waiting on this area for a long time. Been a few months, but we finally made it. Okay. So what I would like to see with Great Britain USD, same thing with gold. We have this breakout area that we can possibly look to see hit. So somewhere in here, if you just want to play it safe, just wait to go. Great Britain USD breaks out. Breakout zone here. Let me see. Jump on the weekly real quick. Just to get your take profit areas. We got a nice engulfing candle there. I like. So just a quick education on engulfing candles. Most likely, we have like a 90% chance that the market always like to come back and revisit those engulfing candles to get a break. So most likely we'll make it back here. As you can see, we visit in this area. So get you a short term. I kind of like this zone right here. Got a candle there, candle. Kind of like this area. Take profit. I do. I like that. And I like this area also. So let's get that set up. And then as you can see, this trend channel we've been waiting on. Another reason why we're going to play this area as a break is because I have this message that I put here probably about 3-4 months ago that was waiting on this trend channel to break. I'm going to leave that there because that still applies, because the trend is right here, lower trend. So we need that to actually break for us to continue upward. So we're going to keep this tight right on the money. And then we're going to play this next zone there. All right. All right, let's narrow down to the daily so we can get this a nice view on what's going on. So the play is pretty much something like this. Delete these lines. This is what we're going to be trying to play. So we're going to break out here, come to this next take profit. And we can even label that also. Oh, sorry, I'm pressing the wrong button. Okay. Okay, so we can do that, or we can have gold come here for another retest and then make it move up. And I think it's safe to actually bring our stop loss here. But if this break, look for that to continue dropping. All right. So my plan for Great Britain USD is honestly going to be something pretty much similar to what I see gold doing, maybe possibly coming up a little bit, get back in this zone just to fake out a couple people, get everybody scared, come back down. Now everybody thinks it's a sell again, and then possibly spring back up here. Maybe a little bit lower. I don't want to see it come all the way too far because that's going to make me a little nervous. So maybe halfway here, and then I want to see this baby pop here. Slight pullback, then explode out of the zone upward. So that's my play in the red. I definitely want to see something like this. Same thing with gold. You can take the buy now. Just know that your stop loss need to be here, and you can just let it go, or just sit back and see if we're going to get some pullback, or just wait for the breakout. Once the breakout happens and it closes above this zone, at least on a 4-hour, I would say, definitely the daily close above this zone, you can hold and continue upward. But the best play is to wait till just get a little pullback and just kind of close the distance on your stop loss here. So now you can go with a bigger lot and a tighter stop loss and then let this go up. All right. So that's what I have from Great Britain USD. Sorry it's taking so long. Just want to break everything down a little more detail today and give you guys more of a insight of where we coming up with this plan from. It's a lot of information that's put into the trades, a lot of back testing. I present you guys with the quick bird's view of what I'm looking at, but it's a lot of other details that I do prior to this. A lot of trends, back testing, highs, lows, all the way up to the yearly highs, back testing what happened with the news, economics. It can get really intense. So the videos would be a lot longer if I sat there and explained everything, every trade. So I just want to keep everything short. All right, so back on the DXY to dollar. This was our plan, was looking for it to come here or here. We got this zone. Looked like it was going to try to make it up here. It gave us a little fake out, which caused a little confusion in the market with positioning, deciding we was going to take the buy or sell. But if you would have just held and opened up those stop losses, you would have been just fine, as I always say. So I honestly want to take this out the plan now. And just quick, simple with Great Britain USD. I'm sorry, with the dollar. I don't know why I'm thinking about Great Britain USD. But with the dollar here is same thing. I just want to see this either continue crashing or small pullback. Maybe back to this area. I'm going to keep that there because we could possibly come back here. But I want to see back to this zone, possibly, and then sell again. If we do get here, don't get nervous because, like I said, this could be a very tempting area for the dollar to retrace back to. And that's all I have for today. I hope this helps you guys out. Again, week after week, this channel is proving that we know what we're talking about. And the market is moving exactly what we plan here. A lot of analysts and back testing is put into this. Blood, sweat, and tears. So if this is helping you, I will say congratulations. Continue supporting this channel. Make sure you like. Definitely subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if you're looking for any information to talk to me or reach out personally, you can find all the information right here on my channel, my email, Telegram groups. And then from that point, we can talk business and get you guys set up on some other pairs. If you're looking for any other pairs to trade, definitely reach out or put it in the comments, Until the end, we're just going to trade Great Britain USD and gold. But I would love to show you guys some other pairs that I trade daily just to help you out. But I know these pairs here, Great Britain USD and gold, are the most profitable. You usually see the biggest moves, and that's why we post them here. All right, guys, thank you. I hope you enjoy your week next week. God bless to you on your trading. Until next time, we will speak again. Chuck is out, aka the Gold Gorilla.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there.